All right, so we just got done looking at how to solve advanced inequalities, and now we're going to learn how to graph the solutions. It's the exact same concept. Once you've gotten it solved, we're just going to combine the two things together. And I actually figured out how to use the snipping tool on this, so you don't have to see me create a really nasty looking number line. So let's get right into it. 6s minus 3 plus 9 is less than 3. We're going to go ahead and distribute. 6s minus 18 plus 9 is less than 3. I'm going to go ahead and combine the negative 18 and the positive 9 together to get negative 9. Then we're going to add 9 to both sides. We're left with a 6s is less than 12, and then all we've got to do is divide both sides by 6. S is less than 2, so we're going to go to our 2, draw an open circle, boom, go to the left, because that's the way that our arrow is facing. Just make sure that when you are going and graphing these inequalities that you clearly show a difference between an open circle and a closed circle, even if you have to overemphasize the difference between the open and the closed circle. 5 times quantity z minus 7 plus 18 is greater than 3. Same thing, we're going to distribute. 5z, 5 and 7 is 35. Combining like terms again. Negative 35 and a positive 18 is negative 17. Then we're going to go ahead and add the 17 to both sides. And then divide both sides by 5. It's the exact same steps from each problem. Just get a little bit different of an answer. Similar inequality, and the fact that it's open, but it's going to go in the opposite direction to be greater than.